You might be watching this because something feels off about your dog. Maybe they're quieter than usual, maybe they stop eating, or maybe you just have that gut feeling every dog owner fears. Dogs don't cry for help the way humans do. By the time obvious symptoms appear, a dog may already be in serious trouble. Today, I'll discuss about 10 critical signs that a dog may be nearing the end of its life. Some of these signs are subtle, some are shocking, and one of them is something most owners completely misunderstand, even experienced ones. If you want your dog live long, watch till the end and don't miss the end for the solution. Let's start. 1. Extreme lethargy and withdrawal. Dogs naturally slow down with age, that's normal. But when a dog suddenly stops responding to things they once loved, walks, toys, food, even your voice, it's a red flag. A dying dog often conserves energy because their body is struggling to maintain basic functions like breathing, circulation, and temperature. This isn't just being tired, it's the body quietly shutting systems down. If your dog isolates themselves, hides, or sleeps almost all day, pay attention. 2. Loss of appetite, even for favorite foods. Most dogs will eat even when sick. That's why appetite loss is so serious. When a dog refuses favorite foods, treats, or even water, it often means severe organ failure, severe pain, or the body preparing for shutdown. In the final stages, digestion becomes difficult and uncomfortable, so the dog instinctively stops eating. This is not stubbornness, it's biology. 3. Rapid or labored breathing. Watch your dog's chest. Healthy dogs breathe smoothly and quietly, but when breathing becomes rapid, shallow, gasping, or irregular, it may signal heart failure, lung disease, or severe oxygen deprivation. Some dogs breathe with their mouth open or stretch their neck forward to get air, a sign of extreme distress. This symptom alone is a medical emergency. 4. Sudden weight loss and muscle wasting. A dying dog often loses weight very quickly, sometimes within days or weeks. You may notice prominent ribs, a sunken face, weak hind legs. This happens because the body starts breaking down muscle to survive. Even if the dog is still eating a little, the nutrients are no longer being absorbed properly. This is common in cancer, kidney failure, and liver disease. 5. Loss of bladder or bowel control. Many owners think this is just old age. It's not. Loss of bladder or bowel control often means the nervous system is failing, or the dog is too weak to move in time. You may see accidents during sleep, inability to stand, confusion after eliminating. This is a sign the brain and muscles are no longer communicating properly. 6. Body temperature drops or feels unusual. A healthy dog's body temperature is around 101 to 102.5 degrees Fahrenheit, or 38.3 to 39.2 degrees Celsius. As death approaches, circulation weakens. You may notice cold paws or ears, a body that feels cooler than normal, shivering despite warm surroundings. This is the body losing its ability to regulate heat, a very late-stage sign. 7. Confusion, disorientation, or staring into space. This sign deeply confuses owners. A dog may walk into walls, get stuck in corners, stare blankly, not recognize familiar people. This can be caused by brain tumors, toxin buildup from organ failure, or oxygen deprivation. It's similar to dementia, but when it appears suddenly or worsens rapidly, it's extremely serious. 8. Pain that can't be controlled. Dogs hide pain instinctively, so when pain becomes obvious, whining, shaking, crying, or aggressive behavior, it means the pain is overwhelming. Signs include restlessness, inability to lie down comfortably, yelping when touched. At this stage, even strong pain medications may not provide relief. This is often the point where veterinarians discuss quality of life. 9. Changes in gum color and heart rate. Check your dog's gums. Healthy gums are pink. Danger signs include pale white gums, blue or purple gums, a grayish color. These indicate poor oxygen flow or shock. You may also notice weak pulse, very fast or very slow heartbeat. This is the cardiovascular system failing. 10. The most misunderstood sign. Seeking or avoiding you. Here's the one most people get wrong. Some dying dogs become extremely clingy. They want constant contact, lying close, following you everywhere. Others do the opposite. They hide, they isolate, they pull away. Both reactions are normal. This behavior comes from instinct. In the wild, sick animals either seek safety or withdraw to avoid being a burden. If your dog suddenly changes how they interact with you, emotionally, not just physically, it's often a final signal. Important truth every owner needs to hear. Not every dog showing one or two of these signs is dying, but when multiple signs appear together, especially worsening quickly, it's time to act, not wait. If you notice any of these signs in your dog, don't panic, but act quickly. Make sure they stay hydrated, comfortable, and calm, and contact a vet immediately for guidance. Early action can make a big difference. Comment down below if your dog has shown any of these or other unusual symptoms, and I'll share tips and solutions to help.